Hello everyone, after a long break, I've decided to come back and continue this tutorial series on Roblox Studio. Today I want to show you how to create a data store, which is a really useful feature for saving data in your Roblox games. So let's get started. Now, the first step is to add a script inside ServerScriptService and name it DataStore. This script will contain the entire foundation of the DataStore system, handling how data is saved and loaded in your game. Also, if you don't want to go through the trouble of copying the whole script manually, I'll leave a link in the description where you can copy it directly to make things easier for you. Now that we've finished setting up the first script, the next step is to add an interactive part that you can customize as you like. This part will reward players with 1 win and 100 cash in leader states when they touch it. However, I'm adding this just to test if the values in leader states are saved after leaving and rejoining the game. To do this, we need to add a script inside the part and follow the same steps I will be showing. Now that we've finished with the script, the final step is to go to the game settings. First, we need to publish the game to make it online. Once that's done, go back to settings, then to security, and enable the option Enable Studio Access to API Services. This is necessary to make sure that the DataStore system works perfectly. After completing all these steps, we can test the game to see for ourselves that everything is working as expected. It looks like it's not working, but that's not a problem. We'll go back to the DataStore script to fix the issue. But I have a feeling that we accidentally missed some important details, so let's stop the game and check the DataStore script to make the necessary fixes. The first mistake is at line 17, where instead of writing cache.parent equals leaderstates, I wrote by mistake cache.parent equals players. And the second mistake is at line 20, where I forgot to add the getAsync function after playerstats DataStore. I also want to mention that the script in the description does not have these issues and is fully functional. Leaderstates is now working perfectly. Now, if you go and touch the interactive part, we will receive 1 win and 100 cash in leaderstates. If you leave the game and rejoin, we will see that our values are saved, proving that the DataStore system is functioning correctly. Thank you all for watching until the end of this video. I would really appreciate it if you could leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Until then, I'll see you all again in a few days with the next video.